Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for your Amazon FBA business, right? So I usually start my product research videos by pulling up a couple of products like this, like these ones. Um, the way I do it is I look at one product side by side by opening up the Amazon link, like this one, and then opening up the supplier link, right? Like this one. And then I usually double check if the products are the same. So I usually look at the photos, title, description, size, photos. So let's see. So this one is 60 capsules. This one's 30-day supply with 60 count. Okay. So 60 capsules, right? Sedona Labs, iFlora, multi probiotic formula. Okay, 60 probiotics, 32 billion cells per serving. Looks like the same product, right, guys? So it looks the same. Then from here, I plug in the price of the product. So this one is $29.95, right? $29.95. And the cost on Amazon is about $46 right there. This one is a little bit low ROI. I usually tend to go for at least 20% ROI. So this one is on the low side. So what I would do is I would look at the other sellers, and it seems like this one's gonna give me 9%, 8%, 9%. So, man, to me that's too low. I usually aim for at least 20%. I mean, the lowest I usually go for is about 15%. So this one is gonna be a skip for me because of the ROI. Okay, so that's a skip. And then from here, I go to the next product, which is this one. So it's a Milwaukee. What is this? A hard hat headlamp. Okay, good product. So 475 lumens. See, 475 lumens of true view high definition. Okay. Red Ladium. So it's red. It's the same. Let's see if it's the same model number. So usually copy it and then I go find. Okay, so where is it at? Let's see. Where is that? I'm not seeing it though for some reason. Where's that model? Oh, it's right there. Okay. So model number is right there, right? So it's the same product. So now I would plug in this price on my seller amp. So $69.97. $69.97 is my cost, and the selling price on Amazon is $164. Wow. Okay. And from here, I would go down and look at my competition. So, sorry, I forgot. So this product is selling at 176 times a month, right? And you're competing with these other sellers, which I think is a pretty good ratio. So I'm willing to share 176 sales with 5 other sellers. And this is the amount of inventory that they have right here. And I'm getting a 30% at least ROI on my sale, right? So this one is pretty good. And to be safe, I usually look at Keepa. So I would look at the price fluctuation. So to me, it seems like this product is selling at about $120 very consistently, right? Yeah, which is about about 120 bucks if you can see the prices here. Looks good. Pretty stable price, pretty stable sales rank. The amount of sellers are pretty okay. If there's one concern, I know this brand Milwaukee gives out IP complaints. IP meaning intellectual property. So I'll be cautious with this product. And also, if you look here, there's a time there where there's only one seller, right? There's a huge um, drop in sellers count. So I mean that could be concerning, or I could be wrong too. But I do know that sometimes Milwaukee gives out IP complaints. So I guess for this one, I say just be cautious because of IP complaint. Okay, so yeah. So what I would do for this one is I would do like a small test buy, maybe like order like 3 pieces, 5 pieces, just to see if there's gonna be any issues. But if you want to play it safe, then just stay away from the product. Okay. So next one is the sweater from Carhartt. Okay. What's the same? Carhartt means large, ash rose. So ash rose. Okay. Is the color size large? Okay. Same. I mean, the color seems off, but here it's saying ash rose, right? So I think it's good. Yeah, so $17.99 is the cost. Yeah, there's no discount codes. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. So this one is a variation, which means we need to run the exact sale of its variation. So from here we go to variation. Where's variation? Right here. And then we click the exact variation, which is usually auto selected already. So ash rose large, right? And then click check. Where is it? Yeah, ash rose is not really getting any sales apparently. So this one is not going to be good because it's not getting any sales. So the top variations for this product is a black one, a black color, right? It's getting 12% of the sales of this whole listing. So if you want, you can look for the same exact product, right? But color black and size large. So I'm not going to do it for this example. I'm going to make a separate video on how to do that stuff in the future. But I hope you guys got value from this simple product research video. And if you guys got value from this, please like, comment, subscribe. And that way other people can also see my video. And with that being said, why is my camera off? I just realized that. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.